Hey, Jarrett here with Alliance IT. A quick little tip with Windows 10 and File Explorer. On your taskbar here, you should have pinned this little manila looking file folder that you would, normally put in a filing cabinet. This is called File Explorer. I believe it used to be called Windows Explorer. You click on that. This is how you view your network map drives, if you have any, your C drive, D drive, E drive, whatever it may be, your desktop's documents, that type of thing. As you see how it says Open File Explorer in this PC, and then there's this quick access drop down. Any new computer that you take out of the box nowadays, your Windows 10, if you go to Best Buy or you get one from your company or whatever, and you sign into a new account, for the first time, when you open this, it will automatically take you to this quick access view. And it's sometimes not a big deal, but you can see down here, you don't see your C drive. You don't see if you have any network public drives, that type of thing. And so me as a tech, when I set up a new user, this is one of the things that I just change because people are used to seeing it the other way. And I think it's, me personally, I prefer that view. I want quicker access. It's funny this is called quicker access, but I actually feel like I have quicker access with the other view. So anyways, you modify that by going to the View tab, Options, change folder and search options, and you change this drop down right here to save this PC. And then when I hit OK, you'll see this is where it opened. I'm going to close it, reopen it, and it's now open in this PC, and I can now see my drive down below. And I would see my other drives as well. So anyways, quick tip on how to change that.